Okay.
Alrighty, so if you could tell us your name.
Jose Hernandez.
Okay. And how did you find out about Bumblebee?
Well, actually, just tried to search some opportunities in transportation, and I find a Bumblebee in Craigslist, and pretty good experience so far.
Okay, and what service did you get from Bumblebee?
I get all my paperwork with the transportation company. I get everything together, my MC number, OC number, OCR number, and all the paperwork to try to get it started and make it a
Trucking company.
My trucking company, and making started my own business.
Okay, and what was your experience with Bumblebee?
Well, 100%, and get it 2 likes.
Okay, well, tell them to subscribe. Thank you so much.
No problem.
And guys, this is actually Jose's truck. He has a dually, and this is actually his dually truck in the background here. We did his authority for him for his hot shot, and his other hobby is construction. So as you can see, he has his workers on the house right here. He does construction. You basically do everything, right? Remodeling
and all of the services with the dump trailers.
Okay, and then he has another house over here that he's working on as well. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.